Is the Bali Beauty Set the real deal or just another online trap dressed up to look legit? At first glance, Bali Beauty Store might seem like a trustworthy brand with its clean, professional-looking website and stylish product images. It's easy to get tempted by what they're offering, the Bali Beauty Set and the Bali Sunset Flower Sandals. But dig a little deeper and the warning signs start piling up fast. The site is filled with glowing, repetitive reviews that sound too perfect to be real, especially when compared to actual customer experiences posted on platforms like Trustpilot, where complaints about delays, poor customer service, and low-quality products tell a completely different story. Then there's the fact that some of the product photos appear to be stolen or reused from other websites, which raises serious questions about originality and honesty. What's even more concerning is that the domain was only registered recently on March 10, 2025, a common trait of fly-by-night operations. And if you try to find out who's really behind the brand, you'll hit a dead end. There's no business name, no real contact info, and the phone number listed is the same one used on several other sketchy websites. These aren't small red flags, they're major warning signs that this site may not be trustworthy. If you've been eyeing the Bali Beauty Set or those sandals, think twice and make sure you have all the facts before you buy. This might not be the beauty experience you were hoping for.